Hello friends, how are you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to permanently disable or uninstall Windows 11 Recall on your PC. Windows Recall is a brand new AI tool that is built into the Windows 11 Copilot Plus PCs. What makes it so handy is the ability to remember everything you do on your computer. Hence, you can use this tool to semantically search for anything you have ever seen or done on your PC with the help of the natural language. Notably, the Recall takes advantage of the Neural Processing Unit, aka NPU, to process the entire information locally on the device. Microsoft has made sure that Windows Recall is secure and safe to use. However, if you don't want to use this feature, you can choose to disable or even uninstall it without any hassle at all. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get started, you have to open the Windows settings on your PC. And then you have to select privacy and security option in the left sidebar. And then you have to select the recall and the snapshots option. And then you have to turn off the switch next to save snapshots. And then you have to hit delete snapshots. And then you have to click on the delete all option and confirm it. And finally you have to close the Windows settings, and that's about it. And now it's time to learn how to completely uninstall the Windows Recall on your PC. To do so, you have to open the Windows search on your computer, and then you have to type turn Windows features on or off into the search box. And then you have to select the turn Windows features on or off in the search result. And then you have to scroll down a bit until you find the recall option. And then you have to uncheck recall, and then you have to click on the OK option to confirm it. And then you have to restart your computer, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily disable or uninstall Windows 11 Recall on your PC depending on your needs. Now that you have found out how it works, make the most of it to take control of Windows 11 Recall depending on your needs. And I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.